Oh, what is up guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be like awesome because we have something exciting in the home from Whirlpool. A lot of people keep looking to buy refrigerators in the market, right? But what I've seen is they don't have like proper idea on how to choose the right model. Plus I also keep getting questions and comments regarding like which refrigerator should we buy, or maybe like can you talk about convertibility in refrigerator. And also guys, I've seen a lot of people do not have any sort of idea like what exactly is a convertibility in a refrigerator. What does it do? So let me tell you in like very simple words. Convertible refrigerators offer like much more advanced cooling solutions where you can independently control the freezer and the fridge section, guys, and also offers like much greater flexible storage conversion. You can actually convert your freezer section of the refrigerator into a fridge, or maybe like independently turn off the freezer or fridge section depending on your usage and requirement. And by doing this, you can save a lot of energy and also power bill as well. So this is the main benefit of having a convertible refrigerator. So before actually going for this particular model, I've done a bit of research and tested lots of different refrigerator models in the market, price versus performance, different sort of features, and finally went ahead with this particular model, guys. It's a brand new model from Whirlpool. It is called as IntelliFresh Pro 10-in-1 convertible double door frost free refrigerator, and the variant we have is 327-liter variant, and this is what we'll be checking out in this video. Alright guys, I'm back to continue the video. We've been using this brand new IntelliFresh Pro refrigerator from Whirlpool for almost a month, and today in this video I'll be sharing my detailed experience and feedback. So make sure to watch this video till the end because there are so many points I'll be talking about, and also I'll explain about the different convertible modes available on this model. It's available in different color variants and also comes in different capacity variants, guys. Today in the home we have the Omega Black edition, and that too the 327-liter capacity variant. See, for my family of around like 4 to 6 people, this capacity variant would be like best, guys, and that is the reason we went for this. If you're looking for a smaller fridge, yes, as I've told you, other capacity models are also there. Now talking about the design and build quality, first of all talk about the dimensions, guys. I mean, look at the size of this refrigerator. Definitely a large size refrigerator, right? Obviously double door, and on top of that you can definitely store a lot of staple and food material on the inside. Anyhow, I'll open the refrigerator in a moment and talk about the interiors as well. First, let me give you like a closer look at the exteriors and talk about the design and build quality. The refrigerator has a beautiful and elegant looking design, guys. First thing you'll notice as soon as you peel off all the stickers is the front whole panel has a beautiful brushed metallic sort of finish, that too in this Omega Black color, and definitely gives you like a rich and premium sort of look and feel, and matches our whole kitchen interiors and space as well. And not to miss out, you're also getting some neat chrome inserts here and there to give you that premium touch and feel to the overall refrigerator. On the upper half section near the freezer, here you're getting the Whirlpool logo followed by a very user-friendly control panel, guys. I'll definitely give you a closer look and show you all the available buttons and basically what you can do using this control panel. Just beside that, you're getting your 2-star energy rated sticker, and below that you got some warranty related details. We'll definitely talk about the pricing, warranty details at a later part in the video. So that's it about the upper half section. There is nothing on the lower half freezer section. I'll quickly open up the refrigerator and give you a closer look at the interior as well. One more point I'd like to add in is you do not have those old school looking external door handles on the refrigerator, guys. Door handles are very well integrated in a slot sort of design, that too in a flush manner on the left profile of the refrigerator. Good thing is makes it very comfortable and convenient to hold the doors of the refrigerator and open them. And let me tell you, despite the size and the dimensions of the refrigerator, doors are actually like pretty lightweight. So even if you have like elder people at your place, right, not an issue at all. They can easily open up the door just like this. So what I'll do is I'll quickly open up both the freezer and fridge section one by one and show you how the interiors of the refrigerator look like. And ta-da, here's how our refrigerator looks from the inside, and oh wow, it actually looks pretty nice, right? You're getting complete white interiors that definitely add to that premium sort of touch and feel. And first of all, let's have a look at the shelves over here. Totally in the fridge section, you're getting around like 5 shelf areas, so you can store plenty of food materials, day-to-day staples like bread, water bottles, plenty of other stuff, guys. And let me tell you, even the build quality of the refrigerator is very nice. I mean, look at the shelves over here. These are actually made out of like toughened glass materials, and the company says that each of these shelves can easily take up to like 240 kgs of load. So even if you place like heavy utensils or vessels on these shelves, nothing to worry about, nothing will happen. And just like that, as you people can see, I've stored like plenty of materials over here, and even the spacing between the shelves is pretty nice, guys. Even if you have like large glass jars like this, right, not an issue at all. You can easily accommodate them. And not to miss out, are you people looking at that LED light bar at the back side? As soon as you open the door, the fridge automatically lights up this neat white LED interior lighting and definitely adds like a very overall good looking feel. And finally, on the bottom side, this is your veggie section area. You can easily open it up like this, and I'm telling you, right, plenty of capacity on the inside. You can store all your vegetables, fruits, green leafy vegetables, just like how I've done, and easily access it from this container. And not only that, it also has like moisture control at the top side, so you can completely adjust it as per your requirement. And one more thing I'd like to add in is, look at this, it also comes with this freshenizer feature. So basically, if you have like fruits or anything stored for longer periods, right, what happens is these sort of fruits or vegetables get ripened over time, right? So what this freshenizer does is it absorbs excess release of ethylene from these fruits and vegetables, so that you can preserve these veggies for a longer period of time, guys. So that is also like an added benefit. And not just this particular Whirlpool's refrigerator offers plenty of other interesting features. I mean, look at this lower section over here, guys. You'll see something known as active DO. So what happens is, whenever in refrigerators you guys place certain food materials, either it be like fish, meat, or strong smelling stuff, maybe like ginger, garlic, right? Over time, these sort of smells dominate in the compartment of your fridge, guys, and whenever you open the door, it doesn't give you that fresh sort of smell. What active DO in Whirlpool's refrigerator does is it gives you like an odor free experience, stops these sort of certain smells, and gives you a fresh experience whenever you open the door. Keeping the main compartment and the shelf area aside, let me also give a closer look at the rack area and talk about that. So in the fridge section, you're totally getting around like 4 rack areas, 2 at the top, 2 on the lower half section, and you can place a lot of stuff here as well. I mean, look at this. You're also getting a free included egg tray as well to place all your eggs. Place up to like 8 eggs over there. Keeping that aside, even the quality of these racks is pretty nice, guys. Made of high quality polycarbonate material, and good thing is even these racks are also like very easily removable. So in case over time, even if they get dirty, you can easily remove them, wash it, and again put them back and keep your fresh, neat and tidy. Also, some people have this doubt regarding water bottles capacity, right? As you people can see, there is plenty of space in the racks as well as the center compartment of the shelves. You can easily place 1 liter, 2 liter bottles also, not an issue at all. And that was about the fridge section. Let me also show you the freezer section and talk about the interiors. And here's how the freezer section on the Whirlpool refrigerator looks like. Again, here also you're getting those same white interiors. One good thing I have to mention is you're actually getting like a very portable ice twister tray. You can easily remove it like this and create more space in the same section, guys. And even the quality of this ice tray is pretty good. You've got a twister sort of mechanism just like most of the other refrigerators, and once your ice cubes are done, simply twist them like this and store them in this container on the bottom side. Hey, wait a second, I haven't told you about the control panel on the refrigerator, right? So basically, if you want to change the cooling temperature for both the zones, either it be the freezer or the fridge section, right? Or maybe you want to switch between the different convertible options available on this refrigerator, you can easily do that using this control panel at the top side. And I'm telling you, right, very user friendly control panel. You can easily use, there are only like 3 buttons, and in these 3 buttons only you can completely control all the features and functions on this refrigerator. Now suppose if you want to manually adjust the cooling temperature for both the upper and lower section, right, basically freezer and the fridge section, you can do that using this manual temperature button at the center. Simply click and hold this button for like 2 seconds, and that will help you choose between either the fridge or freezer section depending on your requirement. And you can even look at this tiny status LED indicator. Right now the upper indicator is glowing, right? That means we are controlling the freezer section cooling temperature zone, and by cycling between this button you can switch between low, medium and high cooling. So at the beginning I've told you that this particular refrigerator offers 10-in-1 convertible modes, right? So what exactly is convertibility? In a convertible refrigerator, they offer like advanced dual fan cooling system and offers like independent cooling control for both the freezer and the fridge section, and also offers like a very flexible storage conversion where you can convert your freezer section into fridge section, guys, depending on your use and requirement. Say for example you have a party at your place, and in that time you obviously store like a lot of food material and staples, right? So if this fridge section is not sufficient for you, there you can use this convertibility option and convert your freezer section into fridge. So basically you're getting like double fridge option, guys. And not only that, in certain cases you can even switch off these independent zones depending on your usage and requirement. And by doing this, right, you can greatly save energy and also power bill as well. So that is the main benefit. So keeping that aside, one more main highlight of this Whirlpool's refrigerator is it's got a super speed 22 minutes conversion time, guys, and I'm telling you, right, that is like very fast. So before buying this particular particular model, I've done a bit of research and tested variety of refrigerators in my market and also like local showrooms and stores, and there were plenty of convertible refrigerators in the market, but none of them actually specified how fast the conversion time is, like about the convertibility and all of these options. And only Whirlpool was mentioning that they offered like a very fast 22-minute conversion time. So that actually means this is one of the fastest out there in the market, guys. And I'm telling you, these days everybody has like a very fast paced lifestyle, right? And nobody has that amount of time to wait for one section to convert into fridge and stuff like that. To match up with your day-to-day on-the-go lifestyle, your refrigerator also needs to be fast. And from a tech perspective, I'm telling you, right, 22 minutes is like pretty fast. Anyways, keeping that aside, let me talk about the different 10-in-1 convertible options and modes you're actually getting on this model. Starting off, first one is called as all-season mode. So basically, this particular mode is great for your day-to-day sort of usage, where you're using both the fridge and freezer section. You can set it to all-season mode. So if you want to switch the convertible modes, you can do that using these mode buttons on the control panel over here. Simply click on the button and it will cycle between different convertible options. The second mode is called as grocery day mode. Say for example, you have a bit of large family, maybe like a joint family, and you people store a lot of vegetables, fruits in the fridge section, right? And maybe this particular section is not sufficient for your usage. In that particular mode, you can actually set the refrigerator to grocery day mode and convert this freezer section into a regular fridge section, guys. So you can use both the sections to store your vegetables or fruits. So that is the main benefit. The third mode is called as beverages mode. Say for example, you have plenty of cool drinks or fruit juices and you want to store some of them in the freezer section as well, right? Without getting them frozen, simply switch the mode to beverages mode and that's it. It'll keep your drinks chilled without getting them frozen. Just like that, you're getting a couple of other different convertible modes as well. Like a deep freeze mode is there, energy saver mode. Energy saver is like pretty useful, guys. So simply switch it to that and save power whenever the refrigerator is being very less used, guys. So definitely helps you reduce your power bill. You're also getting something known as fast ice, where if you want to make like ice much faster in the freezer section, simply set it to this fast ice mode and that's it. It'll get your job done. Apart from these, you're also getting something known as party mode, vacation mode, chef mode, and last but not the least, mini refrigerator mode as well. So basically, if you want to store beverages in the fridge and make ice faster in the upper freezer section, right, you can set it to party mode. Or maybe you're going on a long vacation or maybe on a holiday, right? That time you can set the refrigerator to vacation mode. And in this particular mode, it turns off the fridge and only keeps the freezer section on. That way you can also save energy and help reduce power bill whenever the refrigerator is not in use for a longer period. Last but not the least, I have one more very useful convertible mode to talk about, and that is called as mini refrigerator mode. So in certain situations or certain cases, there might be only like a single person staying at the home, right? And obviously single person wouldn't be using entire refrigerator for himself, right? So in these sort of cases, you can simply enable mini refrigerator mode and basically turn off this entire fridge section, guys, and convert your freezer section into a mini fridge zone. So main benefit is, since you're completely turning off the fridge section over here, you can actually save up to like 50% of your energy and power bill and only use the upper freezer section, which is now converted into like a mini fridge zone. Super useful, I would say. And if you ask about the overall cooling performance and efficiency of the refrigerator, as I've told you, it's been almost a month I've been using this refrigerator at my place, and the overall cooling performance was like pretty good and satisfactory for the price point. Mostly we've been using the refrigerator in like all season mode or grocery day mode because it offers like extended 15-day freshness for the vegetables or fruits that you place inside, right? Plus it comes with Whirlpool's 6th Sense Nutri-Lock technology. Basically keeps the vegetables fresh and offers like 2x longer vitamin preservation. And not only that, it also has something known as microblock technology that prevents bacteria growth up to 99%, guys. Basically keeps everything fresh on the inside. We're almost coming to an end, so let me also talk about the warranty details on the compressor. But before that, let me tell you, this Whirlpool's refrigerator comes with their IntelliSense inverter technology that automatically adapts the cooling performance depending on the load that is present on the inside. Plus, have I told you that it even comes with like stabilizer free operation? So even if you have like high voltage fluctuations, right, nothing to worry about. You don't need like a separate stabilizer for your refrigerator, guys. So the recommended voltage range is from 115 to 305 volt, guys. So that is actually a pretty wide operating range, I would say. And talking about the warranty details, Whirlpool is offering 1 year comprehensive warranty on the product and also 10 years of warranty on the compressor. Well, that is pretty much it. Time to wrap it up. Our video on Whirlpool's IntelliFresh Pro 327 liter 10-in-1 convertible frost-free double door refrigerator. If you all enjoyed watching this video and got all the information you were looking for, make sure to smash that like button. I'll leave link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. And I'll see you all in my next one.